viewers, welcome back to another episode. I'm Steven, the Scale Model Car Chief. I enjoy building classic TV and movie cars, so if you enjoy that type of content, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel, and share it also. In this episode, we're going to be doing the unboxing of the 1979 Indy 500 Mustang pace car. This is a build from one of the cars that I had in my past, so let's give it a thumbs up. Let's go ahead and get down to the actual kit itself. Made by MPC in 1978, the Mustang Indy pace car was introducing or bringing the Fox body Mustang platform to the forefront of the latest technology that Ford had. I think their slogan was "Bright Ideas by Ford." So let's go ahead and look at the kit. This is a classic kit. I just love, all the stuff that you find inside the classic kits, like the Golden Wheels promotion. Let's go ahead and open that up. We have a look at the different model kits, the stunt van, the Chevy pickup, the Corvette, the Fuzz Duster, the Indy pace car, and some others on there. It looks to be in good condition. Set that aside and let's go ahead and get out the instructions, or sometimes I call them the destructions. All right, the MPC, a trifold. I guess maybe a fourfold. It's folded in half after it's trifolded. Look at the decals. They look like they're in pretty good shape. I don't see any cracking or anything like that on it, but I will make a replacement set just in case. You always get scared using old 40-year-old decals, or not quite 40, but you get what I'm saying with that. All right, so let's go ahead and look at the steps. We got a picture of the pace car there. TRX optional wheels and some Ford 4-lug wheels. 4-cylinder engine and a V8. We had the 2.3 liter turbocharged and V8. Some chassis components. So everything's looking good there. Let's flip the sheet over and let's see what we have. It's not really the interior tub. Got the floor pan and 2 side pieces. Here's a look at different options, some side pipes if you go opposite of the Indy pace car. That's pretty neat. Customs was a big thing in the 70s. So let's go ahead and look at the kit here. There's a lot of swirl in the plastic. Looks like some tire burn on the plastic rear glass. I think that can polish out, not too bad. But there's some of that swirl in the silver plastic. I've seen that in some other kits, but that's okay. It'll be getting a coat of paint. Look at the T-top recess for the cutout. Front grille. I won't be doing the T-top. I'll go ahead and do the sunroof like the replica cars that were released to the public. Let's look at some of these components. Wheel backs, steering wheel, console. Looks like a CB mic there. That's pretty cool. I won't use it in this car, but I have the perfect car for that. I just have to see if there's an antenna to go with it. This kit was open, so some parts are removed from the trees. Good definition on the dash cluster or gauge cluster in the dash itself. There's the door card / interior and engine bay. It looks pretty good detail. My car did not have the Cobra emblem on the door panel. Well, actually either of my 2 pace car replicas. Good, texture for the carpet. It looks good. Let's see what else we have here. Some engine interior components. Looks like firewall. Engine halves. Part of the Recaro seats and the fan. Let's look at the chrome tree. There's that antenna. We got the TRX wheels and some regular 4-spoke, kind of Magstar looking rims. Here's a whole bunch of parts that are loose. Let's see what I can pick out here. The hood, pretty neat. It's got the Mustang logo on it. And the front air dam for the pace car edition. cow type hood. I like that hood. A little different than the forward facing scoop for the Cobra type hood. Well, I'll get into the build on the next video, so please consider liking and subscribing and sharing. Thank you for watching. This is Steven, Scale Model Car Chief. Have a safe and blessed day. We'll see you.